In this video, we're going to show you how to install plugins and use plugins inside of Adobe XD. So if I go to the plugin menu, I go down to Browse Plugins. That's going to launch the Adobe Creative Cloud app. You can see here that it's looking at the featured plugins. These might not necessarily be for Adobe XD, so I'm going to go to All Plugins. And you see that I have a set of filters for apps. So I'm filtering by Adobe XD. And then you see all the different listings for all the different types of plugins. Up here in the corner, there's a way to sort these by most popular, most recent, and then top rated. So under top rated, I have this one that I'm interested in, the Pixels Free Stock Images HD. So I'm going to go ahead and click Get. And it says this plugin has been developed by a third-party developer. Be sure to only install developers you trust. I'm going to go ahead and click OK on that. And then it's going to ask me for my login. And you can see the status here. It's installing the plugin. And then it says Pexels Free Stock Images plugins installed. Find it in the plugins menu in compatible apps. So if I go over here and I go to plugins, Pixabay Image Finder. Let's see if it shows up down here in the plugin section. So here it is, Pixabay Image Folder, Pixabay Filter. So image topic, let's say that I search for trees. And I click that. Okay, so now if I go back to plugins, go to Pixabay Image Finder, Pixabay Filler. Oh, I think it needs an image. What it needs is an image, a container. So let me zoom in on an artboard, and this artboard's pretty empty. So let's say that I put in a box in here. And then I go to plugins, Pixabay Image, Pixabay Filler, I do trees, and now it puts a random image of tree inside of there for me. So that's an example of how to use a plugin for Adobe XD. You can see that I have a couple of other plugins that are installed here, and those would work in a similar fashion. Adjust size by shortcut, copy CSS to clipboard. This one is a text plugin to change case. This one's for icons. If you want to download icons by style. So they're all different and they all do different things. So again, exploring in Creative Cloud all the different types of plugins here, and installing them is fairly easy to do, and then using them, you can either use them from the plugins menu in XD, or you can access them from the plugins and this side panel.